Video we're talking about a platform called Long USDT, and Long USDT is actually a grabbing of that platform, which is you grab order and you get paid on this website. So if we click on this company profile here, it has been noted here that minimum deposit is 2 USDT, sign up and get 7 USDT, same withdrawal, same day withdrawal. So that's same day deposit and same day withdrawal. So guys, right now in this video, I'll be showing how you can register on this website, recharge, do tags, and make a withdrawal on this website, and how you can earn extra income even with without even depositing on this website. So guys, now for we to begin, all you need to do is click on the link in the description, and after clicking on the link in the description, you'll be taken straight to this next page for which to register. So this is where you'll be brought to. So you need to just fill out your email address. That's your real email address, valid email address. So you type in your login password, which is the password you use in logging in, and you confirm the password again. So this password should be the same. Then you click on type in your transaction password, which is the password you're using withdrawing. Then you type in any secret answer, which is if you lost your password, this is what you're gonna use to recover it back. Then you click on the register now button, and after filling out all those information, you'll be taken straight back to this page. So after you've been brought back here, this would be your home page, guys. This would be your home page, and if we click on the mine button here, guys, if we click on the button here, guys, we'll be taken straight back to this page, guys. We'll be taken straight back. Now, guys, this is the page we'll be brought to, but actually, your own will says 7 USDT because it's been noted here that on the company profile, it's been noted here that minimum deposit is 2 USDT and sign up and get 7 USDT. So I was given a total of 7 USDT as a sign up bonus. But guys, if I click on this mine button, you're back again. If I click on this mine button here, why my own says now is because if I click on my transaction history, you're gonna notice that I've already deposited 2 USDT as a sign in order for me to add to my 7 USDT, making 9 USDT. So I'll be using that to unlock a VIP. So I'll be using that to unlock a VIP. So guys, now for you to begin to start earning, first and foremost, you need to check the VIP you wanna unlock, because you cannot just deposit for you without you knowing the actual VIP you wanna unlock. So all you need to do is click on the VIP here, guys. Then you just check out the VIP that you can afford. So now, for the sake of this video, I'll be unlocking this VIPO, which I'll be earning 0.45 USDT daily. And with that, for you to unlock that, you only need to deposit 2 USDT added to the 7 USDT given to you, because this VIPO worth just 9 USDT. And if you scroll down, the VIP one worth 30 USDT, and daily earnings is 3 USDT, and you have 10 tax to do daily. So you just need to deposit 23 USDT added to the 7 USDT be given to you. So guys, you can just check other USDT, like the VIP2 got 80 USDT, your daily earnings is 8.8 USDT. So your daily earnings is different, but they all have the same tax to do daily. So the higher your deposit, that's the higher your earnings daily. So guys, now after you've picked the VIP you want to unlock, all you need to do is click on the home button back, and after clicking on the home button, you click on the recharge button here, and you send the amount you want to recharge. Let me say you wanted to recharge for the VIP one. All you need to do is transfer a total of 23 USDT. And after making the transaction, all you need to do, you copy this wallet address first, then you make the transaction, and make sure the transaction already said completed from where you make the transfer. Then you click on the submit button here, guys. Now there'll be a counter which is gonna make the money to appear to show in your available balances in your mine button. So you need to click on the submit button after making a transfer, guys. So and the money will automatically, it will show, because the money won't automatically show on your balance. You need to click on the submit button, and after the deposits have been successfully made, all you now need to do now for you after making the deposit and you want to unlock the VIP, the thing should be like this. Then let us just click on this VIPO that have been unlocked. So you click on the VIPO here, and this is it, guys. So I have a total of 10 tags to do daily on this VIP. So these are the tags I will be doing on this website right now. So for me to do tags, all I need to do is pick any tags. Then I click on the tags. Then click on the submit button. So that's how I keep doing it till I'm done with the 10 tags for today. So click on the submit button again. Then guys, we're done for today. So let us go and check our balance now. So we click on the mine button now. Then you notice that daily earnings is now 0.45. Now I have a total of 9.45 USDT in my balance. So guys, now after you successfully the recharge, you've done your tax, and you want to make it withdrawal, because we'll be making a live withdrawal right now in this video. All we need to do is click on this withdrawal button here. And after click on the withdrawal button, they say please add your withdrawal method. I haven't added my withdrawal method, so you click on the submit button and you click on add withdrawal method at the top. Then you paste your wallet address here, your transaction password. Then you click on the submit button. So we click on the submit button. Then let's see what's gonna happen. So now the wallet address has been added successfully. So let us just go back. So guys, now for we to make a withdrawal, all we need to do is type in the amount we want to withdraw, our payment password. Then we select our withdrawal method, which is we'll be withdrawing straight to our wallet address. Then we click on the submit button, guys. So we click on the submit button. So we pick and we click on the submit button. Let's see what's gonna happen. So they say application for withdrawal successfully. So let's go back, guys. Then click on the mine button again. Now you're gonna notice that, right, let it load, guys. Click on the mine button. So guys, if you notice now I have a total of 9 USDT, so the 0.45 USDT is not there. Because if we click on the transaction history now, click on withdrawal record, you will notice that this is under review. And let's wait for the withdrawal to drop. So before the withdrawal drop, guys, for you to earn more on this website, if you want to earn more, all you need to do is click on the team button at the middle of the website down below. Then you copy your referral link, you share with your friends and family, because whenever you refer people to this website, you'll be given some referral commission. So let's check the rules first, whether the referral commission will be there. So okay, yeah guys, this is it. So invite friends to enjoy tight rebate, 13% rebate first level, 40% rebate second level, and 1% rebate for third level, which give us a total of 17% rebate for your three level. So you click on the team button, you copy your referral link by clicking on this button which says copy here, then you share it to your friends and family. Then you'll be able to earn whenever someone deposited, and share it to all these social media platform. And when people deposit, you'll be giving some percentage of their investment from this website, guys. So guys, now, so, and also if you have any question, you want to contact the customer service, all you need to do is click on this button here, or you click on this other button here, and you'll be taken straight to Telegram. So click on the button and you'll be taken straight to this place. So all you need to do is click on view Telegram. So this is our Telegram, so you can ask anything there. And let's click on the other button. Let's see where it's gonna take us to. And this is their Telegram customer service link. So this is the Telegram customer service link, and this is for the Telegram group. So you can click on either link to get any issue solved. So let's go back to the transaction and click on this. So it says record now, assist record success. So let's go to my trust wallet. So guys, now this is the deposit, is 0.45 USDT. Check the time of the deposit, and that's 2:25 p.m. and if you look at the time recording of this video, you see. So guys, now this is the amount you withdraw success, so 0.45. So you actually see with your own eye that the website is paying legitly. So guys, now this is how you be just keep on grabbing on that daily and keep on earning from this website. So guys, that's it for this video. So guys, if you have any question, you can drop down in the comment section, and please don't forget to drop a like on this video and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, thanks, see you in my next video.